Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with Remax Preferred Associates. It's Friday, July 10th, bringing you our Maintenance 101 tips for the week. The reason this was created is I found that many times while on a listing appointment, my sellers did not have the right information or understanding to be able to maintain parts of their home. So consequently, we'd go to list our house and we'd find there were deficiencies that we'd have to take care of in order to get the house on the market, or we've listed the home and surprise, surprise, there's some deficiencies that pop up during the inspection. So, that's fine that they're identified. However, when they're identified during the inspection, now you have the pressure of the sale of the home. You have the pressure of the buyers trying to figure out how they're going to continue on. So without all of those pressures existing, it's much better to be able to maintain these things on a regular basis before you're even thinking of selling. So we're not talking about trying to get your home ready to sell. We're just talking about trying to take care of your home. So I've put together these tips today on septic systems, and you're probably saying, well, Eddie, I live in the city. I don't have a septic system. I don't even know what a septic system is about. Well, if you live in the city, possibly in the Flanders Road and Whiteford Road area of Sylvania, you may have a septic and well system. If you live in parts of Perrysburg Township, Anthony Wayne School, some parts of Holland and Swanton, those areas are not that far from where we are here, right in the heart of Maumee, and you may have a septic system that needs to be maintained on a regular basis. They're somewhat complicated. There's things that can be done on a regular basis that will make the systems last longer, and if they don't last longer, you could be talking about $15,000 to $25,000 to be able to make the necessary repairs to bring a system up to grade, and you really don't want to have to do that. So many times people have told me that they have a septic system, so they have, free sewers. Well, yes and no, depending on how old your system is and how well it was taken care of. You may be looking at replacing the system. You may be looking at putting in a new leach field. All of these things could happen. So in this case, today in our Maintenance 101, we're talking about the sexy topic of septic systems. So here we go. I've got 10 ideas for you. Make sure if you have a septic system or leach field, you don't plant any trees or shrubs over the top. Trees and shrubs, their roots can infiltrate into the system and cause it to break down and fail at an early age. If you have a septic system and your risers are buried, you're going to want to make sure that those risers get unburied and they're sitting on top of the land, so that way you have easy access, not to mention it's required by the health department. Make sure you pump your septic system regularly. Regularly is 3 to 5 years. This way you can make your system last much longer. Don't flush chemicals, grease, or oils into your system. It may break down beneficial bacteria that are in the system to help take care of it. Don't flush items like baby wipes, feminine hygiene products, condoms, cigarette butts. All of these things could potentially clog your system and cause it to fail prematurely. They will not break down properly. Limit the use of water going into your septic systems. That means staggering your shower, staggering the use of your laundry. That makes sure that your water softener is not discharging into the system. Make sure your sump pump isn't discharging into the system. Too much water can flush through your system and force your system to plug up. Limit the use of your garbage disposal. Why? Because too many solids can potentially fill up your system 50% faster. If you have a leach field, you should have a distribution box that's at grade level so that you can change your diverter to send your solids to one side of the leach field or the other to give each side a rest. This should be done once a year. Do not park or drive on your leach field. This could potentially damage your system. If you have an aeration unit, it must have a working motor. Otherwise, you're going to be discharging raw sewage into creeks and causing a health nuisance. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please like and share the information. Follow me on Facebook, and you can also follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. If you have any questions, please first and foremost reach out to a septic service provider or contact me, and I will get you in touch with someone if you don't know who you can call. I hope you have a great week. I hope you have an excellent weekend, and I hope you found this information valuable.